Hope everything is good except for removing the background of the JPEG image or JPG image. So this is a tutorial to remove the background from a JPEG image, which is kind of annoying in an image. So yes, let's get started. First, let us import a JPEG image, which is through click on a file, open, and find the JPEG image, which I have already navigated to, like tutorial file. I have a JPEG image, select it and open. Yeah, it is open. Now go to the selection tool here at the top left and choose it and select your image which you want to remove the background of. So this is what I want to remove the background from these images, so I have selected whole, and this thing is what I got. So when you come here, you can see a image trace. Click on that arrow, you will get a few list. Choose high fidelity photo. So here it is, it progress, and after it progress you will get a expand button there itself. So click on expand button. All the images will be outlined here now, as well as the border of the image is outlined. So what we do is go to the pen tool. This is a pen tool. Long click on it so that you can see many options. Initially it will be in a pen tool, so you must choose a delete anchor point tool, which is in that list itself. Okay, then select this thing, delete anchor point tool, and delete the anchors of the, like if you want to remove the background of these images, then you should remove the anchors around them. So it's like remove anchor, remove. Sure, this. Okay, there's error, please use the delete anchor. Okay, doesn't matter. So here we go. So we have actually removed the border of this image. So we'll go to the select tool again and select the entire thing, and as you can see, every image is been outlined with the blue anchors. So when you click on when you press on control, hold control and click and drag this, you can see only the images are there are no borders. So what we do is, let it be here itself. We'll open a new file, like new, let's name it as Angry Bird 2 or Angry Bird copy, anything as you wish. So I have named it Angry Bird copy. Then click on OK. So there is a new file which you can see here. So let's go to the previous one, and as I said, press Control key and click on the image and drag. You can see, right? Yeah, this is a drag, and go over the next image. Let the Angry Bird fly to the next file, and now leave control button, and whatever you have pressed, just leave it. That is like a just drag and drop. You see, yeah, I dropped it here in a new file. So we got a new image. Okay, so Actually this doesn't have a background. Okay, to prove that I'll save this image and you will come to know that. So yeah, we'll go to the file and don't opt for a save or save as it doesn't have a PNG format or anything. So you just go to the export. Yeah, here in a tutorial file itself I am putting this Angry Bird copy, which is of a PNG format. I chose PNG from these list. You can see here it's a PNG, and I'll click on export. As in this preview you can see that there is no background. White background is been removed everywhere. It's transparent actually, and here you can see it's a transparent. So I'm okay with that, so I'll just click on OK. Okay, so we'll minimize this. It's been saved. I didn't get the notification. Okay, let it be. It will be saved. Let us check. It's not saved. Minimized. I have a tutorial file here. So here was the JPEG image what we actually initially what we took to remove the background. This is a JPEG, and this is what we got as a result. See, Angry Bird copy, which is in a PNG format. Okay, let me open this JPEG first so that you guys can compare it. Okay, this is a JPEG what is open. Now let me open PNG. This is a PNG image. As you can see here, Angry Bird copy.png. I'll put it here so that you can see the result. See, this is a JPEG image which has a white ugly background. So yeah, so we have removed the white background, and now it's all done. So hope this video helps you. Please comment if you have any questions, and share this with your friends or anyone, even an enemy, so that he can do he can also have some advantage from this video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Take care.